Hello guys, in today's question we say solve for x when you are given log x base 4 equals 3. Right. When you're given a question like this, you do not need to waste your time. You will simply say drop the log and say you are left with x, and then the base of this log will be the base of the exponent. So it will be x equals 4 to the power 3. Right, then let's go. What is 4 to the power 3? It is 64. And just like that, you are done. But then one is wondering, but how did we get to this? Let me show you. Remember, when you have something like this, you say, hold on, the reason you had it is because you had log x over log 4 all equal to 3. Then you say, oh, multiply throughout by log 4, you will be having log x equals 3 log 4, isn't it? Then you say, okay, log x equals log 4 to the power 3. Then you proceed. Log x equals log 64. Now you remove the logs, you will be left with x equals 64. Now you see how we get this, right? You got it. Perfect. This is how you do it. Bye-bye.